Hello, welcome again. In this video, we will learn about how to design, how to modify the chart area. So as we can see that this is an x-axis of this chart, this is an y-axis of a chart. On the x-axis, we can find different categories like the name of the product. On the y-axis, we can see the sales. Now, if you can see the option here, this is different kind of chart elements are here. Just click on this. It gives you an option of axis. So if you uncheck this, you can see the axis has been removed. So we require this axis so that we can understand what exactly the data is. Now click on this button. You can find there's a primary horizontal and primary vertical. You can uncheck anyone. So basically there are primary and secondary options are available, but this data set is only for primary data. That's why one option was showing. Now if you will click on this axis title, then there are two different options available. So you can write it here like sales in 1000. So it would be more easier to see and understand what exactly this data is even without looking at this table. This is, you can say, product. Now the third option is chart title, that is available here. We can say sales of product. If we want to highlight this, we can use the bold button, or alternatively you can click Ctrl B to make it bold. In the chart title, you will find above the chart century overlay, or there are more options by which you can change this. So now we will go on the fourth option, data label. So here you see that when we check different data label, means the data numbers are available. When you select this option, you can remove this also because numbers are now available. Just something like that, or you can better the primary, horizontal and vertical. So now it looks somehow more better. Now in this data label, you can move these numbers centrally, inside base, some callouts. If your graph is, there are very few columns are available, then you can use data callout. Now you can also put data table. If you do not like data on these areas, you can put it here. And it has also option with legend key, no legend key, and more options. Now you can add grid line also. So primary, you can put some horizontal, minor, and so these small lines are now available. You can remove it. Now this option is legend. So it was, click here. Now this option is showing here. You can change that to the top, to the left, to the bottom, anywhere. It is up to you. So these were the options by which you can change and beautify your chart. You can increase or decrease the font size as well by using this option so that it can look more bigger. There are more options that you can use by yourself, like you can increase the size of this to make it more bolder. Thank you for watching.